Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. Today I am going to be unboxing the Lookfantastic beauty box for the month of January. If you guys want to know what I got in my box, then keep on watching. Alrighty guys, I feel super blessed because I recently was put on the Glossy Box PR, but now I'm on Lookfantastic Beauty Box PR as well. They sent me this box for my honest review, so that's really nice. I feel really appreciative that, you know, these beauty subscription boxes are reaching out to me to give honest reviews on their boxes. So I'm super excited to see what they gave us for the month of January. I have a code with this box. It's Aisha, AYESHA, BB. I'm gonna have it up above so you guys can see if you guys don't know how to spell my name. This code will give you a $10 off when you subscribe for a 12-month subscription. So $10 off, I think, is an amazing deal. Now let's talk a little bit about the box. Okay, so it says you could receive a curated collection of 6 beauty products with a guaranteed worth of over $60. It's a beauty box that has cult favorites to trending beauty brands. It says discover the Lookfantastic beauty box today. Now, I'm trying to get the price for you guys of this box. So it says for a monthly subscription, it's $19. So I think that's very reasonable price for a beauty subscription box, especially since these boxes are, if you hear that, very good quality. I feel like this box alone is like a $10 box. Like, you could use these boxes again to hold like products in it. I've always said, this is not my first time doing Lookfantastic beauty boxes on my channel. I've always said from day one, them and Glossy Box has like the best boxes, like very good quality boxes, to where you almost don't even want to throw the boxes away because they're so nice. And they're always like different colors, different prints on them, just depending on the month. This month is like a seafoam, like, would this be called seafoam? Like a minty color, very pretty. So let's see what we got. So the books are very good quality as well. This is the book, loving her braids. I'm thinking about doing braids again. Stay tuned for that. It's just easier in the wintertime. So when you open it up, this is what the box looks like. A little Lookfantastic stamp still, and we got like the tissue paper. And then this is what it looks like when you open it up. So let's look and see at the products we received. So right off the bat, I see something in here that I absolutely love, and I can't wait to use this because mine ran out. This is a deep sleep pillow spray. It's just like a spray that you spray on your pillow, and I'm not sure what's in here, that it just helps soothe and calm you so that you can fall asleep. I want to say maybe chamomile's in here, but it says fall asleep faster, naturally, and wake up refreshed. It says directions: spray on your pillow for bed before you go to sleep. Yeah, and that's all it says. I was thinking it was saying more, but then it just starts talking about ingredients. So I had got this, I want to say, in like my FabFitFun box, I want to say. I'm not sure because I have a lot of makeup subscription boxes, so sometimes I get confused which one I get stuff in, but I'm almost sure I got it from my FabFitFun box. I've also gotten like the lotion. They have a lotion that you can use as well. But nevertheless, I sprayed this on my pillow before I went to bed. Did I think this was going to work? No, but I sprayed it on my bed, and I'm like, what do I got to lose? I got it in my box. I'm going to use it. I don't want anything to go to waste. So, you know, I did a couple of sprays on my pillow. I laid down, and normally it takes me like a minute or two to fall asleep. I don't have problems like sleeping, but, you know, I think that's a normal time it takes somebody to fall asleep. By the time I laid down, I don't even know when I knocked out. Like, I don't know what's in here, but it works. Trust me, I can attest to that. It works. So this is what it looks like. Deep Sleep Pillow Spray. So I never replenished it because, like I said, I don't have problems sleeping. So that's not something that I thought I needed to buy, but it definitely works. The next thing I see in here is a hand cream, which I definitely love getting hand creams in subscription boxes because my hands are always so dry. I'm constantly washing my hands. I'm a germaphobe, so these never go bad. So I got a Blossom hand cream. It's an age-defying hand cream. What does it smell like? Does it smell like blossom, like flowers? Let's see. Nope, it just smells like hand cream. Oh, I thought this was hand cream. It's not. It's a Ahava mineral conditioner. So I've never tried any of their hair stuff. I thought it was a hand cream because I just did not too long ago, same day today, but I did my Ice Cream beauty box, and then before that I did my Macy's beauty box, and they gave me a mineral hand cream, and it looks almost identical, so I thought I got another one of it, but I spoke too soon because this is actually the conditioner that they just gave me. So, curious to see how their hair products work, so can't wait to try that out. I might add, I love their hand products. Their hand products are amazing. I have this mineral hand cream that's my own that I received from BoxyCharm Hair, and I love it. So Ahava products, A1. The next thing I got here is I got a anti-aging face moisturizer. I'm gonna put this on the side for a giveaway because this is just my personal preference. I like more makeup than skincare. So when I get a lot of skincare stuff, I just give them away because my skin's very sensitive and I can't keep trying a whole bunch of different products. It causes my skin to break out. And because I do videos, I don't want to be coming on here with my skin looking a hot mess. So I tend to stick to, you know, products that I like to use and I'm already familiar with, and I know it doesn't make me break out. Also, I do have a ton of skincare already. If you guys didn't see my skincare video of me showing you the majority of my skincare, I'll link that video down below. But I have a lot of skincare to sum up a long story and make it short. So I just tend to give away my skincare stuff. So I'm going to give that away. I also got a lip plumper, which is kind of cool. We all could use some lip plumper even if we have big lips. Your lips can never be too big, right? So this is Skin Chemist Rose Quartz. I love, if you're new to my channel, I love crystals. I do some crystal unboxings on my channel as well, besides makeup. But this is a Rose Quartz Youth Defense Lip Plumper. So I can't wait to try this out. I also got a body wash in lavender tea, which will be nice to use at nighttime, right before bed. Had that nice calming lavender scent. So I definitely will use this. So overall, everything I got, I'm gonna be happy to use. I'm just gonna be giving away the moisturizer because I have way too much skincare. I would have liked to see a little bit more makeup as like my feedback to them, but I did love the products that I did get. That would be like my only feedback. What did you guys think about this beauty box? Do you guys have it? Do you guys like it? Let me know in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. And thank you Lookfantastic for sending me this box for review. I appreciate it, and I'm excited to try my new products out. Alrighty guys, if you haven't already, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel. And I'll see you guys all in my next unboxing.